Wix Modalyst Dropshipping tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install the dropshipping app of Modalyst into your Wix website and how it is going to work. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, visit up the site's dashboard, and then we are going to select the website that we want to add the Modalyst app. So we are going to click on select and edit site. Once we have did that, we're going basically here to need to open up the editor of the website. Why? Because we can go ahead and have the apps installed from here, but it is going to take us a little bit of a long page or a long period of time to set up the app. Then it is going to load up the website. So you need to preload your website first by clicking on edit a site in here on the home or the setup page. Once we have did that, we are going basically here to head over the website and we are going to navigate through the add apps or the app market. Click on here on the left side of the screen. As you can see on here on the search app or search bar, as you can see, we are going to paste our name of the app, which is going to be Modalyst, just like that, Modalyst. And we're going to find this Modalyst Dropshipping. We're going to click on it, wait for the website or the app to load up. As you can see, it has a very high rating of 4.3 and over 700 reviews, and it is going to be for free. This is going to be a very good sign. Click on edit or add to site, wait for a few seconds, and we're going to have the things installed. Now, what we're going to do is to authorize the installation of the app. It is going to be just a message from here, I think. And what we're going to do is to see that it is going to let you set up the app for this specific website. We're going to find everything set up in here. Let me see. We're going to have it right there. So we are going to click on open and wait for it to open up the app. So normally it is going to open it right there, and it is going to let us set the parameters of the app. So we are going to restore or refresh the app to see it live. So basically we're going to have the Modalyst opened app. We're going to have it from here, and it is going to let you see another page, not integrated fully within the Wix store, so it is not going to be a minimized version, but a full version of a full website. So here, as you can see, we are going to select the store that we have connected, which is going to be well known as Jack 5, and here we have the platform. So what can we start with in this Modalyst platform? Basically, as you can see and you can guess, it is going to be a dropshipping platform. We have every kind of sort of products. You can see that we have AliExpress products, we have Alibaba products, we have the Printful products, and etc. So we can go ahead and organize or find products from the specific platform by clicking on find products. Here we have all the type of the products that we can find, from the clothings, from the electronics, from the jewelries, all type of products that will work properly as dropshipping products. So as you can see here, we have a lot of products. Now what can we do? Also we have some beauty, as you can see here, products. We can go ahead and use them, or let's say here, put some marketing efforts from them, and then we are going to be good to go. Now, aside from that, we are going to have an import list and also details about the products. We can manage the orders from the platform itself. We have the inboxes from the specific clients, or maybe you're going to have some messages, or surely messages from suppliers, and we can set up the stores. Now, to connect your store is going to be very easy. If you have already installed the app, it is not going to be needed because it is going to take everything in mind. You can add some other stores in case that you want to add a Wix, a Shopify, or other store with there, so you can go ahead and start dropshipping on them. Now I'm going to let you see that we are going to have this hobby plan. So basically we're going to have up to 25 products to manage. since it is going to be for the first, as you can see here, opening of the website or the account of yours. Now, for the steps that we need to accomplish to finish up the setup of the account, we're going to have here the adjusting pricing rules, connect Alibaba, connect AliExpress, add products to import lists, and synchronize products to your store. Why connect Alibaba and why connect AliExpress? Basically, if you're going to have some drop shipping, you need to have at least an account within the platforms. These platforms are going to hold your account with the card name or the Visa card or Mastercard name, which is going to be the payment method. So basically, if a client has made an order within your Wix website or store, the app is going to or automate everything normally, automate everything in the uh, supplier, let's say, web address or the store. Basically, they are going to have connected the client name, address, inbox, or the email, so they are going to receive everything automated. For the adjusting pricing rules, here are going to have either a multiplied markup or you can add a markup. So this is going to be something that you need to do. So I'm going to have the application of the specific product like that. So you need to calculate that because it is going to be very, very accurate. So the changement of the price is going to be needed. So in any case, you're going to modify products and then you're going to set up everything because of the pricing is everything on dropshipping. If you do not know how to set up prices, you're not going to know how to sell products within the dropshipping. So basically, as you can see, this is everything about the platform. You can have here some categorization on the products. So you have all the products. We have more than 400,000 products, which is going to be nearly the equivalent of 500,000 products. This is more than sufficient. I'm going to let you see how we can add a product. For example, I'm going to select this one. It is going to be very simple and very, very interesting. So we're going to select the product. After that, we are going to wait for the product page. As you can see, we are going to have the shipping rate, product cost, retail price, the profit, and etc. So you can order a sample as any of the drop shipping platforms that we are going to find. Here you can have here everything like the description, the let's say here options and etc. So we are going to click on add to import list. So once you have added it, click on view the import list, or you can go ahead and head over another product and add it. What we're going to do is just select the product. We can go ahead and see the general, as you can see, product names, variants, and the pricing because we have added a pricing rule. So I'm going to change the pricing, for example, to something else. Right there, I'm going to change it to something else. Here also, like that, and boom. So I have set up the profits. You can go ahead and set up everything as you can see for the options and etc. Or you can go ahead and bulk edit whatever you want. So now after you have set up this, click on add to store, and then it is going to let you see the product from there. So here you have the import list. So we are going to have the synchronized list. This is the product list. I'm going to give it a try. So toggle auto price. Now you're going to see the product. It is going to be on the synchronized list. So I'm going to let it as it is, view in store. So we can go ahead and click on view in store and see that it is going to open up the Wix dashboard of our website and show us the product directly from your store. And here we have it. And it is going to be very awesome. So you can go ahead and modify at any time the price of it, and also the as you can see here, a bulk edit on everything. So you can go ahead and select all, set up maybe a price for it, edit the cost of goods. For example, I'm going to have it just like that. you're going to see that everything is going to be changed. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.